Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and winding rivers, there were two boys named Alex and Ben. They were the best of friends, inseparable since they were toddlers, but they couldn't have been more different when it came to their relationship with social media. Alex was the epitome of a social media addict. His phone seemed to be glued to his hand, and his eyes were always fixed on the screen, scrolling endlessly through feeds, liking posts, and snapping selfies. He was constantly chasing likes, comments, and followers, hoping to boost his online presence and validate his worth through virtual applause. On the other hand, Ben was the complete opposite. He preferred spending his time outdoors, exploring the beauty of nature, playing sports with friends, or diving into a good book. He had a smartphone too, of course, but it was merely a tool for communication and occasional entertainment, not an extension of his identity. Their differences never caused any rifts in their friendship. In fact, they often found themselves balancing each other out